Hi guys, how are you today? It is the end of March already, and next week it's supposed to be up into the high 70s. So everyone's feeling that spring fever to plant flowers in their garden. And today, this is an old wheelbarrow that I bought at Orchard Supply years ago. They're now out of business, and I've moved it from place to place in my front yard from time to time, full of flowers, and didn't have anything in it over. The last thing I planted, I think, were vincas, and that was in the summertime. And when I went to lift the cocoa liner, because I hadn't cleaned it out, it had completely disintegrated. So I wanted to let you know, from base to base here, this is 16 inches, and the width is 13. This is a 16-inch diameter cocoa liner, and that's normally what I buy when I want to put plants in here. I did want to let you know that I probably won't water it till I get it out to the place I want, because I'm in my backyard and I normally put it in my front yard, and it'll probably be a little too heavy carrying it out there. But I want to do the planting back here. I did want to let you know that I love to use Proven Winners slow release fertilizer. This is the water soluble. Let me show you real quick. So it's this blue powdery stuff, and it's 1 scoop per gallon. And your normal watering pots are 2 gallons. So you can tell I need to order some, and I've already ran out of the slow release. So I had some of this on hand. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in there. Mix it around. And today I'm going to plant a Proven Winners. I don't have my glasses. Hollywood Star. Look at those. They're pink, bright pink with a yellow throat. Aren't those gorgeous? So I'm going to plant 4 in here, and a diamond frost euphorbia. Isn't that beautiful? Right in the middle. So there you go. It's all planted up. What's going to happen now is when the sun hits it and it begins to grow, these are going to start to spill over, and that's what I like about this. It's a little bit elevated in part of my flower bed in the front yard, and you'll just see the pink blooms fill over, and the diamond frost euphorbia will just come out and go in between. So it's just going to look so great. Give it a couple of days, a couple of weeks, what am I saying? And then what I'll start doing is, now that it's warmed up, is I'll start using this once a week when I water. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.